Hello everyone, thank you for joining Bow Time with Carrie. Today I'm going to show you guys how to match gel coat and spray gel coat. Thank you and stay tuned. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, what we got here, we got some discoloration to the gel coat. So what we're about to do, we're about to match some gel coat. Before I do any type of matching gel coat or paint, I go ahead and buff up my area first so I can see the color underneath. When I'm matching my gel coat colors, I start off with pure ultra white gel coat. So the pigment I'm using is mustard, yellow, and brown. Alright guys, let's start matching the gel coat color. When I'm matching my gel coat color, I start off with mustard first. I dab a little mustard in my container, mix it around so everything blended in perfectly. Then I go ahead and dab a little bit of yellow, mix it in, check my color, go ahead and dab mustard again, mix it in, check my color, and then if I need to add more mustard or need to add more yellow or brown, I keep repeating and do the same thing until I catch my color. After I'm done matching my color, let's start prepping. I am using 150 because 150 is a coarse paper, but it gives me a better cut and let the gel coat bond to it very good. I'm prepping gel coat, I like to go back over it because prepping is key when it comes to any paint work. Gel coat is easy, but it's also hard because if you don't prep it properly, when they get ready to wet sand it at the edges, them it will end up flaking on you and keep going back a long distance, and it will not blend in properly. Let's get ready to dewax it. When I'm dewaxing my gel coat area, I dewax with acetone because acetone goes well with gel coat. When I'm spraying my gel coat, I go 50-50. 50% Duratec and 50% gel coat. When you're spraying your gel coat, don't worry about the orange peel because you have to wet sand it anyway. So go ahead and open up your spray gun and put it on as even as possible. When I'm spraying my gel coat, I put on at least 45 coats of gel coat down so when I'm wet sanding, I don't burn through. After it's all dry now, it's time to dye coat it so I can wet sand and polish it up. When I'm prepping my gel coat and getting ready to buff it up, I started with 320, then I moved down to 600, then after 600 I go down to 1000, after 1000 I go down to 1200, and then you have less scratches and it's much easier to buff up. I dry sand with the 321st, then I wet sand it with the 1000 and 1200. After everything is done wet sand, I go ahead and start polishing up, guys. I use the wool pad because it cut the gel coat much easier, and I use 1200 so it's much easier to polish up too. And when you're done, make sure to always wax your repairs because always helps. Gelcoat is a lot of work, but it's easy to work with, so don't rush it. Just take your time and you will get it done. Alright guys, this is my finished product. Thank you for watching Bow Time with Kerry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching and supporting me. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.